Day 3, back to the van. Today we reduce it to 1. Just a little orange butt, a little bit of sparkle. That's the big nymph. Pink wire. Something just to give it a little bit of colour. That's actually quite a nice grayling. And a little black nymph. That fish, it's actually a nice grayling. And this pool, that one's just a babe. Tiny little leeches as well. But, oh, yes. I've seen them rising 2 or 3 times. And he's a big fish. Takes a fish. It's what do we call? Seen him rising 2 or 3 times, so I changed to the dry fly. And Joseph shouting, screaming. The fly, isn't it? No, it's lying all over your cast. He's ripping that fly up with the scissors. He has big sharp teeth. We need to extract that. Twisted the cast around himself. The fly the line out the way. Wrapping the line right the way. Oh, line. Let's get the phone out. Wrapped in the carry on. Smile. Okay. How do we do this? I want to put it back nicely. Not just. There he is. Oh yes, yeah, why not? Nice brown trout. Yep. Nice brown trout. Oh, what little wild one. A little wild one. And that resulted in a nice brown trout. Cold, windy day. Look at those birds working along. So now decided to give it 1 hour. These birds are trying to take my fly. God, take my fly. This is what I took the dry fly off and I was nymphing. Look, it's a rainbow. No, a lot of nice brownies in this area. It's on the bottom then, really deep. I love the big wild fish. Smile. What a little black nymph. Of course, straight to it. Yep. Nice. Big, thick, fat, brown. The little black with the flashback. Oh, it's not a rainbow, it's a brown. Ooh, brown. Look at that. Nice brown. Little picture. They're just not turning on to me. That's another nice sized brownie. There's a course. Nicely done. Times. Oh, and again. Not at the distance yet to cast them. A bit of a stretch cast here.